Hi guys, it's me Christina and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is going to be my Boxycharm. So I got the Boxycharm for the month of March. So this is the box, what it looks like guys. And from the front side of the box it says Boxycharm, and then there's a heart logo in it. It's really cute. So if you guys want to see what I've got for the month of March, just please keep on watching. Actually guys, I just got this today and I'm so excited to open it up, what I've got. So I already opened it up. So this is what it looks like guys. Okay, so first item that I'm going to show you guys is this one. So this is the ultimate lip definer. This is the Becca brand. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like inside. Oh, I really like it, the color guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like guys. It's really cute. I love the color as well. So this is in the shade Low Maintenance. There you go. I'm excited guys to use this one. Alright, next item that I got is this one right here. So this is called a Pale Ultra Cream Lipstick. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Oh, I love the color. So this is the color guys. So I'm gonna do a swatch at the back of my hand because I already have a lipstick, so you guys can see. Okay, this is you know, it's a creamy lipstick. I really like the shade guys. I can't wait to try this out. Oh, and I like the packaging as well. Look at that. This is like, you know, the Dior lipstick. You know, because I have a Dior lipstick and it's kind of, you know, the same packaging. So yeah, I love this one guys. Next item that I got is this one right here. So this is from the brand called Kat Von D Signature Brow Precision Pencil Crayon. So this is in the shade Blondie. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to open that up. So this is what it looks like guys. It's really pretty. Next item that I got is this one right here. So this is, it's called Murad. It says here, Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes, Hydratant Intense Hydrodynamic Poreless Yawns. So this is moisturizer, and yeah, I just know this, you know, brand guys. So this is new to me. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, so you guys can see it. Alright, so this is the packaging guys. It's really cute. I love it. I can't wait to use this one. So the last item that I got is this one right here. This is eyeshadow palette, and it says here in front of the packaging, Hello Charmer, and it has a logo in it, Boxycharm, with a little heart. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like inside guys. As you can see, it's really pretty. I love it. I can't wait to play with this palette. And this eyeshadow palette, it comes with a matte shade and shimmery shade, which is nice. I love it. And it comes with a mirror in it. But today I'm not gonna do a makeup look using this palette. I am going to do another video, separate video, and I'm going to create a makeup look using this palette. So I got 5 items and I love everything that I got, and I'm so excited to play with this palette. And yeah, so if you guys don't know about Boxycharm, I will put the link in the description bar so that you guys can see. And I do have a February Boxycharm video, so I'm going to link in the description box so you guys can see the video. And yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the notification bell and then the subscribe button to see more of me. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.